Okay, so now we're going to talk about station number 2, in which you're going to have to set up the apparatus in order to filtrate. Once again, we're going to be using our stand. You're going to have to assemble it. Nothing's going to be assembled for you. You're going to need to know where everything's located in the lab. So you're going to get your stand, and you're going to get one of those ring clamps again. But notice that these two ring clamps that I have are two different sizes. So you're going to need to choose the ring clamp that accommodates your funnel size that you have. You want the funnel to sit nice and neat in there. You don't want it to be so big that the funnel is going to fall out. You're afraid that the funnel is going to fall through the ring stand. So you have to choose the ring clamp that accommodates the size of the funnel. You're going to place that ring stand onto the ring. Your beaker is going to go at the base of the ring stand, okay, at the base of the ring stand, and then you're just going to place that funnel in the ring clamp and then lower it down. You want to lower it down to where the stem is not very far from the very bottom of the beaker to reduce any kind of splashing. And then you also want to move the beaker to where the stem of the funnel touches the side of the beaker, and that also will reduce any kind of splashing that may occur. Then you're going to want to get your filter paper. Here's your filter paper. It's just a round piece of white paper. You're going to fold the filter paper in half. Then you're going to fold it again where it makes somewhat of a cone shape. Then you're going to take your wash bottle, and that's this. You're going to simply wet the funnel real quick, and then you're going to open up the funnel paper to where it has 3 sides of paper on one and then 1 side of paper on the other, and you're going to simply push it to the base of the funnel. It should absorb some of the liquid that you squirted inside of your funnel, and then if you want to, you can take that water and make sure that it's firmly secure into. Now you don't want to use a lot of water, okay? You just want to use a few drops to get it wet and to actually adhere the paper to the glass. Then you've got your balance here that you're going to be using. Your balance is going to need to be tiered, so you're going to turn it on, and it's going to be tiered by a button here called 0. So you're going to get a weighing paper, which is this here. It's very flimsy weighing paper. You're going to put it on there. The mass is going to be very, very negligible. It's going to possibly not even weigh anything. If it does weigh anything at all, it's going to be 0.001 grams or 1 milligram. Or 0.1 milligrams. It's going to be really, really small. Anyways, you're going to get this filter paper, record any mass if it does have mass. Then you're going to take some sand. I've got a mixture here. You're going to take some sand, and you are going to use your scapula, and you're going to slowly tap enough, 1 scoop of sand onto your paper, making sure not to spill it outside of the paper. You do not want to get any of your sand or your solid onto the balance. It will cause problems for your balance later on. Once you record that mass in your notebook, then you're going to take this filter paper and you're going to simply place it into another one of your beakers, like so. You probably want to use your wash bottle just in case there's any residue on your paper, and put it over your beaker, making sure that that residue goes into the beaker with the sand. Then you're going to get 50 milliliters of water using your graduated cylinder. You can use the sink. What I would do is use the sink water to get it close to 50, and then you can use your wash bottle or a pipette to get it closer to 50. And you're going to need to record that graduated cylinder measurement to the 100th place in your lab notebook. Once you have 50 milliliters of water, you're going to pour it in here. You're going to give it a nice little swirl, maybe a stir with your stirring rod, and then you're going to start decanting it and filtering it into your beaker, making sure that you follow the filtering rules on your procedure. After you're done, any kind of particles that are remaining over, you're going to tilt your beaker sideways, and then you're going to use your wash bottle by squirting the sides and allowing that sand and the rest of that mixture to be funneled also. Once you have rinsed all of your beaker and you've collected all of the sand into your funnel paper, filter paper, you're going to then take that filter paper out. You're going to get a paper towel, write your name on it, and you're simply going to undo that filter paper, making sure you don't spill any, and you're going to set it on your paper towel, and you're going to allow it to dry completely. Once it dries completely, then you're going to go and take the mass of that, and then you're going to calculate how much sand did you actually capture from the filtration process. Once you finish with the beaker that has all of your water that you filtered, you're going to then pour any remaining water out of your graduated cylinder, pour this in and measure it, and then record that measurement in your notebook also. Once you've done that, then you're able to clean up and move to the next station. Good luck.